Benefits of drinking warm lemon water every morning. Drinking a cup of warm lemon water every morning is one of the simplest, most affordable and natural ways to improve your health, which has incredible benefits on your health. Energizes your body. It gives your body a lasting boost of energy, making it a healthier alternative to your morning tea or coffee. Healthy digestion. The minerals and vitamins found in lemon juice encourages healthy digestion, reduces heartburn and bloating by loosening any toxins trapped in your digestive tract. Rich source of potassium. Lemons are also a great source of potassium, which help keep your heart healthy, build muscle, and aid the body in breaking down and using carbohydrates. Relieves stress and uplifts the mood. The scent of a lemon helps clear the mind, reduces feelings of stress and uplifts our moods, while also aiding feelings of depression and anxiety. Curbs hunger. Lemons can help curb feelings of hunger throughout the day, making it easier to resist temptations and reduce snacking on fatty foods throughout the day, thus aiding in weight loss. Boosts your immune system. Vitamin C found in lemons is great at boosting our immune system. It is also a great option as compared to an orange, since it has less sugar, thus making it a great alternative. Improves the skin. The antioxidants found in lemons help rejuvenate the skin and prevent wrinkles, blemishes, and frees it from radical damage by purifying the skin, removing toxins and killing bacteria to reveal clear, glowing skin.